Smoothies. They're everywhere. From bustling cafes to our own kitchens, smoothies have taken the world by storm, and for good reason. What's not to love? They're quick, convenient, and incredibly delicious. But beyond their tasty appeal lies a world of health benefits, especially when berries take center stage. Imagine a single glass brimming with a rainbow of flavors and packed with the goodness of nature. That's the magic of a berry smoothie. It's a simple way to fuel your body with essential nutrients, all while satisfying your taste buds. In a world craving both convenience and nutrition, berry smoothies emerge as a true champion. They are not just a treat but a powerhouse of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. You can customize them with ingredients like yogurt, honey, or even a handful of greens. The possibilities are endless, making each smoothie a unique creation. So, next time you crave something delicious and nutritious, reach for a berry smoothie. It's a small step towards a healthier, happier you. Berries are nutritional superstars. Don't let their size fool you. These tiny fruits are bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Antioxidants act like little warriors, protecting your cells from damage. This protection can lower your risk of chronic diseases. Think of vitamins as the essential building blocks for a strong and healthy body. Berries offer an abundance of vitamin C, boosting your immune system. And let's not forget fiber, the unsung hero of digestion. Berries provide a good dose of fiber, keeping your gut happy and promoting regularity. Let's face it, snacking can be a slippery slope. It's easy to reach for that bag of chips or that can of soda when you're feeling peckish. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and empty calories often dominate our choices. These options are convenient but come at a cost to our health. But berry smoothies offer a refreshing alternative. They are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that your body craves. They are a far cry from those unhealthy snacks that leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. Instead, they provide a sense of fullness and satisfaction. Unlike sugary drinks that provide a quick sugar rush and then a crash, berry smoothies offer sustained energy. This means you can stay active and alert for longer periods. Their natural sugars are balanced by fiber, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes. This balance helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, keeping you energized throughout the day. And unlike processed snacks, berry smoothies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish your body from the inside out. These nutrients support overall health, boost your immune system, and even improve your skin. Section 4. Crafting your berry bliss. A simple guide. Ready to embark on your berry smoothie adventure? It's a delightful journey that promises both taste and health benefits. It's easier than you think. With just a few simple steps, you can create a delicious and nutritious smoothie. No culinary degree required here. All you need is a bit of enthusiasm and a love for fresh ingredients. Just gather your favorite berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, the choice is yours, and toss them into a blender. The more variety, the richer the flavor. Add a splash of liquid like almond milk or coconut water for a smoother consistency. You can even mix different liquids to create unique textures. Want an extra boost of nutrition? There are plenty of options to enhance your smoothie. Throw in a handful of spinach or a spoonful of chia seeds. The possibilities are endless. You can also add nuts, seeds, or even a scoop of protein powder. Experiment with different flavor combinations and find your perfect blend. Don't be afraid to get creative and try new ingredients. Remember, making a berry smoothie should be fun and enjoyable. Share the experience with friends and family and make it a delightful part of your daily routine. Section 5. A sip towards a healthier you. In a world where healthy choices can sometimes feel overwhelming, berry smoothies offer a simple yet powerful solution. They are a testament to the fact that small changes can have a big impact on our health. By incorporating this delicious and nutritious habit into your routine, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier and happier you. So go ahead, treat yourself to a berry-licious smoothie and experience the transformative power of nature's candy. Your body will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more delicious and healthy tips.